Kirkby radio, Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel. Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel, hello, runway news 24. It's a left-hand circuit, Kirkby 1019. Golf Echo Hotel, late final.
Golf Echo Hotel, roger, the surface wind is 16085.
Golf Oscar Romeo downwind, contact 1 late final.
Golf Oscar Romeo.
Okay, we're going to have a look. What do you think, Tim?
Yeah, it's quite interesting. You got everything to hand.
Oh yeah, it's a light.
Wider than I was
light
thinking.
down, straight down.
Visibility. Well, no, I suppose you'd be sitting on your parachute, wouldn't you? So you'd be sitting higher up.
Blocked off, that's easy to say. The only ones that weren't. Yeah.
Fancy crawling forward, Tim?
Up there.
Okay.
Or up there.
You're going to give that a go?
Yeah, I'll give it a go.
Go on then.
Are you going to film from the front?
What, am I going to actually get in there?
I didn't know whether you're going to go through the...
I can do. I should go and film from outside.
There's no way you can get in there.
Can't really see much through the front. How you doing?
I'm fine. Yeah. Not a lot of room. Okay, well, we'll swap over and I'll film you that way. You're going to sit up into the seat.
More room than the Jodel, Tim.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
It's like flying one of these.
As I say, everything comes to hand, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's not actually that cramped, is it?
No.
Here, anyway.
Right. I will extract myself. Yeah, give it a try, Duncan.
Really? Fancy spending much time stuck in here.
Yeah, man on flights.
cramped one in my left there, look.
Yeah.
This little table.
Pretty warm. It's pretty warm.
Down we go.
Reverse. I won't even try filming, trying to get out, because I'm going to end up by dropping the camera, I think.
Fair enough.
But yeah, that's a rather nice experience.
Mosquito NF2 HJ711 being
Cup of tea?
towed out onto the flight
Definitely
line.
tea.
Rotation in action. All the while, the rotor just keeps on spinning. And that's even the case when the airspeed indicator is showing 0. They completed more than 400 operations supporting the SOE from August 1941 until the end of 1944.
Yeah, quite a long one.
What an exhibition of the pure elegance and display flying from the boss of the aircraft restoration company, Jodel. battle with the visiting aircraft, starting to feed their way out of East Kirkby. Many thanks from all of us involved in the staging this show for your attendance today. As we've been saying, all proceeds go towards the continued development of the Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre, and in particular to the ongoing restoration to flight of the Lancaster,
get me on that thing.
which will bear fruit in some years' time.
Golf Zulu India rolling. Zulu India, roger.
Okay.
Kirkby radio all stations. Departure runway 06 QNH 1018 with a surface wind 070 degrees at 08 knots. First call please when you're number one on the hold and ready for departure. Golf Alpha Mike, report rolling. Alpha Mike rolling. Golf India Papa Kilo Alpha's at the hold, number one, ready to touch. Okay, Alpha 1 rolling, report rolling. Kilo Alpha, report rolling, Golf Alpha. Great Wall B, and cargo, clear to the south en route. See you, Bob. Cheers, John. Cheers, John. Bye. Golf Echo Hotel, number one. Kilo Alpha rolling. Kilo Alpha, roger. Golf Echo Hotel, one rolling ahead, report rolling.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, I'm all set. Everybody's latch, belts.
Golf Echo Hotel, rolling. Roger. Golf X-ray Romeo, works for the hold 06. Golf X-ray Romeo, one departing, report rolling. Kirkby radio all stations, departure runway 06 QNH 1018, surface wind is 120 degrees 5 knots, all stations taxi to the hold. Reports with your first call when you're number one of the hold and ready for departure. Golf X-ray Romeo rolling. X-ray Romeo, roger.
I got one above me.
Golf Echo Hotel, clear to the south, thanks for a great day. Golf Echo Hotel, roger.
You see, outside air temperature is 26. So I might leave it on the front for a while.
Oh, I better send Chris a nice picture, even though it's not his aeroplane.
Alright.
Just so he knows that we're flying and he's not.
Golf X-ray Romeo, clear to the west, thanks for a good day. Golf X-ray Romeo, good day.
Well, apart from the surprise about the ticket, that was quite a nice day.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Quite a relaxed day.
Well, as far as the side camera is concerned, we're just clipping the corner of the wash. Very nice creek patterns down there.
Lake and Heath with radar, Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel. Golf Echo Hotel, Lake Neath radar, basic service unit 1017.
Oh look at the rail yard down there.
Oh, that's interesting. Almost pretty, isn't it?
Very peculiar. Interesting set of trees and what have you down there. Some sort of nursery.
So Certainly looks very organised.
Yeah.
Wonder why they're sparring here.
Second heat, Scalable passing 1,100, request traffic service, climbing 10 and 15,000. Everyone idea.
All these exercise, these round things here, they're all exercise bays for horses.
Attenuator side of operations are in effect over chatter site level 100 and below by twin outer for the next 10 minutes. Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel, we're Newmarket and QSY safety call 135480. Golf Alpha Hotel, roger, have a good day. Thanks for the service, have a good evening.
Looks like they've been doing quite a lot of rowing on the river.
Oh, yeah. Over there. Not really too small to
Hopefully.
see, but there it is.
You got the dragon.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
Kitty Hawk traffic, Kitty Hawk, Golf Charlie Kilo Yankee Golf approaching from the west, 1400 feet, Kitty Hawk traffic.
Something in the runway there. No, it's not on the runway, the left to the top.
Just looking for sheep now.
Oh no, it's the wind. It's the wind, sorry.
Yeah. We had sheep during the week.
Nayland traffic, Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel is in the overhead, Nayland traffic.
Only minding your cars, I can see.
Yeah. Place is looking really quiet.
Hampton traffic, this is Golf Alpha Tango, left-hand circuit 414.
Harness okay.
Yep, strapped in.
Hatches are all okay. Brake is off. Fuel pump is on, we're on the front tank.
Nayland traffic, Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel, final Nayland traffic.
No sheep, no deer, no pheasants, no hare, no tractor.
No fun.
Oh yes, there is a rabbit. No, it's a hare. Now the body part, or the bodybuilding part of flying.
I'm going home now, you can do that.
Well, for my viewers that are still with me, thank you very much for that. Hopefully you'll be with me again next week, whichever one I choose to do, whatever I'm filming. Do appreciate your support. If you'd like to leave me a comment, please leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. And as I say, I'll see you again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.